Welcome to our ACCA Advanced Audit and Assurance AAA practice platform here with GlobalAPC. We introduced the CBE practice platform, which will be very similar to the actual exam. So you can practice our mock exams on the practice platform to familiarize yourself with the actual exam environment, so you can pass the AAA exam more easily. Now here's the demo. So for example, when you click through the exhibit, and you will see the exhibit test information. So you can click on zoom in, to make sure that you can read the tests more carefully. At the same time, you can click through, straight through, when you read through the case or finding any tests that are irrelevant to your answer. At the same time, you can also highlight the information as you go through the mocks. Besides, you will need to provide your answer in the answer box, very similar to the actual ACCA exam environment, and click through submit your mock exam. And our experience marker will mark your mock exam with detailed constructive feedback, helping you pass this paper more easily. Now, practicing these mocks using our online practice platform alongside with our tuition and the revision phase of our study materials, and you will pass the AAA exam, and you will find the study relatively straightforward for you to pass the paper. And I look forward to your AAA exam success very soon. Bye-bye.
APC, accounting for your future.